Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, ADA has shown some upside here from the Sunday swing low. Altcoins are looking good today. We get some volatility in. That's exactly what we want. You can see that a larger degree fourth wave likely bottomed on the 3rd of February. That's at least the current thesis. That means we could be in a larger degree fifth wave. We talked about that in the last few days when we looked at the larger time frames. However, here, just want to focus on the shorter time frame. And the idea was that from here, from this low, a larger, or let's say a first rally in wave 1 formed, a pullback in wave 2. And then I've started to track, obviously, here support areas which are holding so far based on Fibonacci mathematics. And we're climbing higher, forming higher lows, but not yet higher highs. So my idea was that if a wave 2 really bottomed here on the 9th of February, then it could be a wave 2 in a 5-wave move as a diagonal. So that means the next rally would be an A wave. Then we get a B wave sideways consolidation or a pullback. However, it needs to hold 68.5 cents. And then the C wave up could be next. And the C wave would then complete circle wave 3. And then we get a wave 4 and a 5. It is possible, because support is holding and it's just following the patterns at the moment, that wave C has started. So it's really a key spot here. When you watch the video, maybe it's already broken above the green line. This is the February high, and this is the level I've been highlighting for the last 10 days or so as crucial level to get above to confirm further that we've really bottomed there on the 3rd of February. So for now, the price is following the parameters here on the smaller time frame. ADA has been doing that really, really well. Other altcoins, not so much, because they are just ranging. Don't get me wrong, ADA is also ranging, but it's already pushing to the top of the range. And we might even call this is it an ascending triangle? No. No, not really. Just 2 touch points here. I mean, you might call that an ascending triangle, maybe. But it's pushing against the ceiling there. And I already posted earlier on Discord, this is a key spot because I can identify from the last swing low, let's say a micro, or let's call it a nano 5-wave move up. Yeah. And this is an indication that wave B has bottomed. It's not confirmation yet, but things are looking good. So since I've posted that, I think the price has already gone up a little bit. And at least the bulls are trying. Now, what I want to do is just to highlight again the importance here of the February high. Look, if we go above it for a little while, it's not so relevant. It needs a decisive break above this high. That is relevant. And then what we can do as well is to identify the next resistance above, which is this one at around 98.5 cents. This level needs to be broken next, and it will, at the same time, it will be the next objective for the bulls. However, you know that when we're tracking a diagonal structure, what we want is that a third wave normally gets to the 138% extension. So that's up there somewhere around $1.28. So we'll see if the price can get there in a third wave. The other fib levels here are going to provide some resistance, most likely around $1.06, $1.19, and then $1.28. For a viable third wave, we want the price to get to 128. So I'm not sure if it's going to do that directly in the C wave, if it's extended possibly. If not, we need another layer of waves. So it could be that it's just forming an ABC structure, which then would be wave A of 3. Okay, so A waves can be 3-wave movements. Then we get a B and a C, and then it's forming the third wave, then wave 4, then wave 5. That's sort of what I'm tracking here currently for ADA. It seems to be printing higher highs, higher lows on the nano level. So it will be interesting to see if the bulls can drive the price above this critical threshold. Any break below the Sunday low, which formed here around 76 cents, would indicate that the lower fib levels here are relevant. Still, I leave the support area unchanged and where it is. In the very short term, this ascending trend line could offer some support. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in additional content, make sure that you follow our main channel, MCO Global. We only launched it last week. It's incredible what the community has done here. We've already got over 7,000 subscribers within a week, which is amazing. Lots of positive comments about all these videos. It's different content, So completely different to what you find here on Morecryptoonline. Check it out. Yesterday, for example, I published a video about different principles for success. Then I talked about Elliott waves from an impulse waves tutorials. We talked about super cycle for Bitcoin, or is a crash coming? I present 2 different scenarios and how I play it. So it's sort of that content which is a little deeper, longer, videos that are long lasting. So check it out, they're all valuable. S&P analysis, NASDAQ, you might find it helpful. The link to the channel is in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.